Are you looking for top-notch appliances and home theater systems in New Jersey? Well, you're in luck. At Eatontown TV and Appliance, we're not just a store. We are your one-stop solution. Our team of Factory Authorized Service Technicians is ready to assist you with everything. Discover the latest and most innovative household appliances, televisions, and home theater components right here. We're not just about selling. Our mission is to provide exceptional service and support while educating you on the latest features of leading brands. And yes, we service and repair every appliance we sell, ensuring peace of mind for our customers. With the largest floor display in Monmouth County and unbeatable prices in New Jersey, you can't go wrong with us. We also have a large collection of parts for appliances, including refrigeration, dishwashers, cooking, grills, laundry, and hoods. So why go anywhere else? Come visit us in Eatontown, New Jersey, conveniently located on Route 35.